Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. We offer shingles in a variety of colors to protect and beautify your home. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We use only the best quality materials. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 434-406-4102